let's simplify this expression together. So we are given square root of 2 minus 1 all raised to 10. Okay, so let's go ahead and represent what is in the bracket by a variable. So let 2 minus 1 be x. Okay, it means that x to the power 10 is what we are after. Okay, all right, now looking at x to the power 10, now we want to see if we get a product of, let's say, x to the power 5 times x to the power 5. So when you perform this side will be x to the power 10, or x to the power 6 times x to the power 4, or x to the power 9 times x to the power 1, or x to the power 7 times x to the power 3. Okay, or x to the power 4, then x to the power 6. So same thing as this. All right, so let's go ahead. So what we are going to do, okay, is to write this one as x. Okay, let's send the minus 1 to this side, so it will be x plus 1 equals to 2. Okay, so let's square both sides as we get rid of the root sign. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals to 2. Okay, all right, so let's find x squared here. So we have 2 minus 1 minus 2x. So x squared will be 1 minus 2x. So let's keep this. Okay, now remember we have, so we can also write x to the power 8 times x squared. It's possible. Yeah, so once we have x squared, let's see if we get x to the power 8. Okay, so I'll continue here as I squared both sides. So x squared 1 minus 2x all squared. So we have x to the power 4, and this side will be 1 squared 1. So we have minus 4x plus 4x squared. Okay, but we have x squared here as 1 minus 2x, so we can do substitution. Okay, so x to the power 4 is the same as 1 minus 4x plus 4x squared is 1 minus x, 1 minus 2x. So x to the power 4 is the same as, so we have 1 minus 4x plus 4 minus 8x. Okay, so let me use this side. So we have x to the power 4. So 1 minus 4x plus 4. So we have 5 minus 12x. Okay, so we have x to the power 4 here, and we have x squared. Now when we multiply, it will give us x to the power 6, but this side is x to the power 10. So let's go again. So x to the power 4, let's square it again. Squared 5 minus 12x all squared. Okay, All right. Now, this side will be x to the power, so 8, okay? And we have 5 squared, 25, 2, 5, 10 times. So we have minus 120 x plus, so 12 squared, 144. So we have 144 x squared. So x to the power 8. So we have 144 x squared minus 120x plus 25. Okay, so we can still do substitution. We have x squared here, and x squared is 1 minus 2x. So we have x to the power 8, 144, 1 minus 2x minus 120x plus 25. Okay. So we have x to the power 8. So this side will be 144. So minus 144 times 2. We have 288x, okay, minus 120x plus 25. So x to the power 8. So 144 plus 25. So that will be 169. Then 1 minus 288, then minus 120. So that will be minus 408x. Okay. All right. So remember, we have x squared here, and we have x to the power 8. Now, when we multiply them, it will give us x to the power 10. Okay. So with this, x to the power 8 times x squared will be, so we have 169 minus 408 times, so let's check x squared. X squared is 1 minus 2x. Okay, so this side is x to the power 10. So we have 169 minus, so 169 times 2. So we have 338x, okay? Then minus 408x times 1, that. So minus minus plus. So 408 times 2. We have, so 408x times 2. So we have 816x squared, okay? So x to the power 10. So we have 169. So minus 338. Then minus 408. So we have minus 746x plus 816. Now we can change this x squared, okay? So x squared is 1 minus 2x. X squared is 1 minus 2x. So we have 1 minus 2x. So x to the power 10. 169 minus 746x plus 816 minus 816 times 2. So we have 1632x. So x to the power 10. Sorry. So we have 169 plus 816. 816 plus 169. So that will be 985. So minus, so this and that. So 1632 plus, so they are negative. So let me put them together. 746. We have 2378x. Okay, but remember x is with 2 minus 1. X 2 minus 1. Okay, so you do substitution here. So we have x to the power 10. So 985 237 2378x x, but x is with 2 minus 1. So x to the power 10 is simply 985 minus 2378 times root 2 minus 1. So x to the power 10 is same as 985 minus 2378 root 2 plus 23 times that 78. So my final answer, x to the power 10 is, so 985 plus 985 plus 2378. So that will be 3363 minus 2378 root 2. Okay, but x is root 2 minus 1. So this x to the power 10 equals to 3363 minus 2378 root 2. That's the answer. Right.